Are you a reloader? Do you clean your own brass? Well, I do. And having to buy consumables and media and stainless steel media and all that sort of stuff, there's so many YouTube clips out there that, you know, have all got the solution to getting the best possible shine on that brass. Well, I've got a trick that is so cheap, it's got to be the cheapest, easiest way to clean your ammo, and I'm about to show you what the secret is. Basically what I do is I throw my dirty brass into a tub like this one. I put 1 squirt of dishwashing liquid in there. I fill the water line just so it covers the top of the brass, and then I put 2 of these in there, and I'm about to show you the secret that's going to save you a lot of money. Are you ready? This is it. 2 of these stainless steel extra large scourers. Throw a couple of these in with your brass. Make sure your water line just goes over the top of it all. Put it in. I'll show you what sort of results I get. These just came out of there. Bunch of 9mm brass. It's good enough for me, considering. Now, just for your info, these were only in there for 20 minutes. If I'd left them in there for an hour or 2, I'm sure it would be a lot better. But that's the big secret. No need to spend money on stainless steel media. Just simply pop in a few of those scrubbing stainless steel scourers. That's it, YouTubers. The secret is out. Good luck.